Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to make coconut shrimp curry in instant pot. It's Thai style shrimp curry. You can follow the same recipe in regular pan also. For making coconut shrimp curry, we have half a pound shrimp peeled and deveined. Here we have chopped onion, 1 cup, 2 medium sized tomatoes, 1 cup coconut milk, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, 2 green chilies. We are going to grind these two together with coconut milk. Other dry ingredients are 1 teaspoon fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon turmeric and half teaspoon salt. Let's set the instant pot to saute mode. Add oil 2 to 3 teaspoon. Once the oil is hot, let's add onion. Fry for 2 minutes. Onion is fried for 4 minutes. We have a chopped cilantro. We are going to add half of this. Rest of them is for garnishing. We are going to add a tomato. Fry tomato for 2 minutes. Once the onion and the tomato are fried, we will add dry ingredients and shrimp together. We are adding dry ingredients, fennel seeds powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and turmeric. Let's fry this for 1 minute. Get all the aroma out. Masala is cooked well. We are going to add shrimp. Fry for 2 minutes. Shrimp will cook very faster. We don't need a pressure cook. Now we add salt. Mix well. We have coconut milk blended with ginger and green chili. We are going to add this and cook shrimp with this. We can follow the same recipe in regular pan also. Shrimp will cook faster. We are going to cook this only for 3 minutes. It will be ready in 3 minutes. Let's put the lid on for 2 minutes. It's cooked for 3 minutes. Shrimp is cooked very well. Coconut shrimp curry is ready. It goes well with basmati rice or jasmine rice. And it is ready to be served. Coconut shrimp curry cooked in instant pot. It goes well with basmati rice or jasmine rice. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and found it useful, subscribe to get instant notifications.